Hi guys, it's me, I'm the Frugal Chef. I hope you're doing very well. Today I want to share a salad that I eat maybe 4 or 5 times a week. I just want to show you that a salad doesn't have to be boring. This is like I eat it. I love it. It's simple. It's got all kinds of good stuff for your body. Very tasty. Well, let's see if you like it, huh? Before we do anything, if you will sub please and turn on the notification button, I'd appreciate it. And let's go make this. I often use a spring mix base for my salads. You know, if you can't find spring mix, lettuce is perfect. I always add red onion to my salads. I love it. Obviously, that is a personal thing. Sliced cucumber. And I'm using this Persian one. You've noticed I've been using a lot of that in my salads. It's because I bought a bag at Costco and there's a lot. Plus I love them. I love these with salt. They're super crunchy. I don't put a lot of tomato into my salad, so like I have these 2 little Campari ones. That's enough for me. You can put whatever you want in them. So I just cut that in 4ths. I'm going to put some radish in it, and I'm going to just slice that thinly. I'm adding 3 radishes. I just love them. So I'm just gonna put all of these things inside my salad. I always add some crunch to my salad. Today I have some roasted pumpkin seeds, which is mostly what I do. Actually, it's my favorite. So I'm gonna put a handful in. Sometimes I'll use nuts, like almonds or walnuts. Depends what I have at hand. I also love these micro greens. They have them in all kinds of things, like mixed and radish, and I happen to have broccoli today. I love the flavor this gives to my salads. It gives it a nice earthy flavor. Plus it's very good for your health. So we sprinkle a bit on top. Tomatoes. I add some avocado. Other things I might add in here, if I have them, beets, raw cauliflower, raw broccoli, just a little bit. Carrots, I'll just shave some carrots in there sometimes. Snap peas. It depends what I have in my refrigerator. But most of the time, this is how I eat it, guys. This is what I usually have in my refrigerator. I do sometimes add olives as well. Many times I'm just gonna eat my salad like this and be done with it, but sometimes I want some protein in it, and then I will add, chicken or a piece of steak, piece of fish. Today I have a hard-boiled egg. That's what I'm gonna put on top of here, but it's up to you. Other protein that you could add to this, lentils, beans, or chickpeas. Very nice. For dressing my salad, I keep it really simple. Olive oil, lemon juice. Sometimes I'll use vinegar. I love champagne vinegar, for example. And salt. And I dig in. I cut everything up and mix it, make sure everything is covered with oil and lemon and salt. And man, I tell you, a salad like this will keep you full all day. Normally, I will have this for lunch, and then that's it. I'll have a good breakfast, this for lunch, and I'm good to go. So let's taste our delish salad. By cutting it all up like I did, I also turned that avocado kind of part of the dressing, so it's nice and creamy. I promise you, this is very good stuff. I hope you make it. And thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.